Chicago, Illinois. The Windy City. A place where the hustle and bustle of urban life meets the serene beauty of nature. A bustling metropolis brimming with energy, creativity, and a spirit as boundless as Lake Michigan itself. The streets are alive with the rhythm of daily life, and the skyline stands as a testament to human ingenuity. From towering skyscrapers to vibrant parks and world-class museums, Chicago is a city of contrasts and surprises. Each corner holds a new discovery, whether it's a hidden garden or a towering piece of architecture. Chicago offers a captivating blend of urban excitement and Midwestern charm. The river winds through the city, offering picturesque views and a sense of tranquility amidst the urban landscape. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking an unforgettable city escape, Chicago's diverse attractions cater to every interest. The museums are treasure troves of knowledge, and the food scene is a culinary adventure. Chicago has something for everyone. From the iconic deep dish pizza to the vibrant street festivals, the city is a melting pot of cultures and experiences. Come along as we explore the heart of this incredible city, where every street tells a story and every building has a history. The neighborhoods are rich with character and charm, each offering a unique glimpse into the city's soul. Where architectural marvels meet cultural treasures and culinary delights await. From the iconic Cloud Gate to the bustling theater district, Chicago is a city that never ceases to amaze and inspire. No trip to Chicago is complete without gazing upon its iconic skyline, a testament to human ingenuity and architectural grandeur. The skyline is a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving yet retaining its timeless charm. Each building, each structure stands as a monument to the city's rich history and its forward-thinking vision. Dominating the cityscape is the Willis Tower, once the tallest building in the world, its skydeck offering breathtaking panoramic views. From this vantage point you can see the sprawling city below, the vast expanse of Lake Michigan, and on a clear day even parts of neighboring states. It's a view that captures the essence of Chicago's grandeur. Nearby, the John Hancock Center, a sleek, modern marvel, boasts its own observation deck, 360 Chicago, with tilted glass windows that provide a unique perspective of the city below. This building is not just an architectural feat but also a hub of activity, offering dining, shopping, and entertainment options that make it a must-visit. As you stroll along the Chicago Riverwalk, be sure to take a moment to appreciate the city's architectural diversity. The Riverwalk is a vibrant, bustling area where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the scenic views, outdoor cafes, and public art installations. It's a place where the city's past and present converge. From Art Deco masterpieces to contemporary glass and steel structures, each building tells a story of Chicago's evolution. The juxtaposition of old and new creates a unique skyline that is both historic and futuristic, a visual representation of the city's dynamic spirit. The river itself is a sight to behold, especially at night when the city lights reflect upon its surface, creating a magical ambiance. The shimmering reflections and the gentle flow of the river add a touch of serenity to the bustling city, making it a perfect spot for an evening stroll or a quiet moment of reflection. Nestled within the heart of the city lies Millennium Park, a sprawling urban oasis and home to some of Chicago's most beloved attractions. At its centerpiece stands Cloud Gate, affectionately known as the Bean, a massive bean-shaped sculpture crafted from highly polished stainless steel plates. Its reflective surface distorts and multiplies the surrounding cityscape, creating a whimsical and interactive art experience. Beyond the allure of Cloud Gate, Millennium Park offers a plethora of activities for visitors of all ages. The J. Pritzker Pavilion, an architectural marvel designed by renowned architect Frank Gehry, hosts a variety of free concerts and performances throughout the year. Take a leisurely stroll through the Lurie Garden, a vibrant tapestry of colorful flowers and plants, or cool off in the Crown Fountain, a whimsical installation featuring two towering video screens that display the faces of Chicago residents. Chicago is a city that celebrates art and culture, a vibrant metropolis where creativity thrives and history is cherished. Its world-class museums are a testament to that spirit, offering a rich tapestry of experiences for locals and visitors alike. The Art Institute of Chicago is home to an impressive collection of masterpieces from around the globe, spanning centuries and styles, including Grant Wood's iconic American Gothic, a painting that captures the essence of rural America with its stark realism. and Edward Hopper's evocative Nighthawks, which portrays the isolation and quiet tension of urban life. At the Field Museum, embark on a journey through natural history, exploring the wonders of our planet from ancient Egyptian tombs to towering dinosaur skeletons. The museum's intricate dioramas of various ecosystems provide a window into the diverse habitats that make up our world. For those interested in science and technology, the Museum of Science and Industry is a must-visit destination. It offers interactive exhibits that will spark curiosity and wonder in visitors of all ages, making learning an engaging and hands-on experience. From a working coal mine that takes you deep underground to a captured German submarine that tells the story of naval warfare, the museum provides a fascinating glimpse into the world around us, blending education with entertainment in a way that captivates the imagination.